Okay, Sue, this is how we're going to finish off your 3 games. We have this. Now, I was looking at yours, and you have, like, you skip a space here, and then you come over here and put the scores in here, and then you skip a space. You're going to run out of room as far as being able to take all of that in. It's going to be really open because you have a space here that's open, and then your scores are here, then you have a space and so forth. Anyway, put them right next to each other. Um, you can, I think I've showed you this, but maybe I haven't because I think on somebody's, maybe it's on Lizzie's, her name was really long. You have it over like this, okay? Come up here where the ABC is. You see the plus sign right here? Just drag that line over and it opens it up. And you can do the same thing on every one of them, is closing them all up like that, okay? And this one needs to all be centered. So we will center that. Now I'm on Excel and you're on, I think, Google, but it's going to be all the same. Mine just looks a little bit different. So on this one, we're going to start here and we're going to put in level 166 like that. We're going to open it up some because it's right at the line. And then you go in and I have my Excel open, and then right next to it, I have your page. And so you're going to go in Joan Brown right here. Level 166 is 383, 875. And then the next one is Helly. Anyway, you're going to add all these in here. 495, 765. And then let's do Cagillifred, whatever her name is. Right here. And that's 377, 045. And Miss Katie is 483, 680. And, you know, you go ahead and go down and put them all in. And Pearl, where are you? Where are you, Pearl? There you are, Pearl. Is 478, 660. Okay, I'm not going to waste your time and put them all in while you're sitting here watching me do it. But anyway, so this is the last game. And so we're going to go here, and I'm going to label this total. Okay. So we have the bubblers names, and then level 66, 195, and the last one is level 166. So when it comes time to add all these up, you go here, and goodness, it's been a while. Let me see how I do this. I forgot really, huh? We're going to hit the plus sign on your computer. And then you're going to go over here and hit this and put, no, wait a minute. Excuse me. Let me do this wrong. I have to think about it. I'm sorry. Okay, we're going to do equal. And then we're going to go over here, and then I want you to hit the plus on your computer. And then here, the plus on your computer. And then here, I want you to hit enter. So there is your score again, okay? And so here we're going to do equal sign. Come over here, hit plus on your computer, plus on your computer. And then the last one here, I want you to hit enter. That is their score. Let's come down here. Going to do equal, the first number, and then hit plus, the first number, then hit plus, the last number, hit enter. And if you want to double check it, I'll open this one here up a little bit. I do this, and you do your equal again. Leave this alone because this is your total. And hit that, plus, that, enter, same number, so it's all okay, all right? And then delete that. So when you get all this in, when you hit your equal sign, and then your plus, enter, you get them all done here. You're going to come up here and do the same thing with your Z to A and put them all in order. Hope this makes sense. So anyway, that's how you do it. It's really easy. But take a look at it. If you have any questions, let me know.